Nutrition and health. How closely does what you eat correlate to your health? According to the CDC, nutrition and health are intimately connected. Healthful eating can reduce the risk of developing a number of conditions, including osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease, obesity, dental cavities, certain cancers, stroke, and diabetes. Proper nutrition is also essential for the growth and development of children. A multitude of scientific and medical studies continue to demonstrate this close connection between food and health. Clearly, the foods we eat and feed our families play an important role in our health, wellness, and quality of life. What nutrition is? Nutrition involves eating healthy, whole foods that meet your body's nutrient needs while supporting good health. Indeed, the World Health Organization defines nutrition as the intake of food considered in relation to the body's dietary needs. The study of nutrition examines how food intake affects the body, requiring scientists to look at all aspects of the foods we eat. Proper nutrition consists of eating the appropriate combination and amounts of whole foods that provide your body with the micronutrients, macronutrients, and phytonutrients it needs to promote good health and protect against disease. These needs may vary from person to person based on a number of factors such as weight, sex, age, food allergies and sensitivities, activity level, and specific health concerns. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are the components of foods that provide calories or energy to the body. There are three main macronutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins. Each of these macronutrients plays an essential role in how the body utilizes and stores energy for basic functions, activities of daily life, and more strenuous activities. Micronutrients. Micronutrients are the minute but essential amounts of elements in food that your body needs to sustain function and good health. Vitamins and minerals are examples of micronutrients, while your body needs only small amounts of each vitamin and mineral. Overall, these micronutrients are vital to every bodily system and process. Phytonutrients, also called phytochemicals. Phytonutrients are found in plant foods. These compounds appear to offer protective benefits against diseases in humans. A number of compounds fall into the category of phytonutrients, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, lignans, and stilbenes. Whole foods. The most nutritious foods for your body are whole, minimally processed foods. Foods that fall into this category include fruits and vegetables, herbs and spices, meat, seafood, fish and poultry, eggs, whole minimally processed grains such as brown rice and buckwheat, dairy products, nuts, seeds, and legumes. The body. Digestion, absorption, metabolism, head, chest and stomach and back, arms and legs, organs and muscles, brain. Every organ, system, and body part relies on the fuel you provided via the foods you eat in order to continue to function properly. While many people tend to think of a proper nutrition only in terms of weight loss or weight gain, it is in fact crucial to the health of every single cell in your body. This is why it's so important that you stop foods containing empty calories and instead eat a variety of nutritional dense foods. Those foods that are packed with beneficial elements like vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and fiber. Your body relies on these healthful foods to function properly. The body. Digestion. When you take a bite of food or a sip of a beverage, Digestion begins as soon as the substance enters your mouth. From there, it takes a long journey through the alimentary canal, digestive tract, making various stops along the way so your body can extract as many nutrients as possible until the unused portions exit through your bowels as waste. While digestion takes place in the alimentary canal, it's the organs of the digestive system that makes it possible. These include the stomach, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. When you eat or drink, your body begins to break down the foods and move them through the digestive tract. Digestion begins in the mouth, where chewing and the addition of saliva, which is a digestive juice, break down the starches in the foods you eat. Your teeth also pulverize proteins and fats so they can move comfortably through the body. Once you're done chewing, you swallow the food and saliva, and it begins traveling through your esophagus, which uses muscular contractions to move the food through it and into your stomach. In a sense, your esophagus merely serves as a passage through which food moves from mouth to the stomach. In the stomach, the food mixes with the stomach acid, which breaks down proteins. Next, it moves into your small intestine. There, bile acids from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas mix with the foods to break down fat and further break down starches and proteins. When the breakdown of food is complete in the small intestine, small finger-like structures on the walls of intestine called villi absorb the nutrients from the broken down food and feed them into the bloodstream so they can nourish your body. Finally, the remainder waste products, now relatively devoid of nutrients, mix with water in the large intestine to form stool. From there, the stool travels into the rectum and exits the body through the anus. Energy. At its most basic level, food serves as a source of energy for your body so it can meet its most basic functions. When you eat food, it can be burned as fuel, converted to glucose, and then burned as fuel, or stored in fat cells for later use. If you take in more energy as food than your body needs to function, it will be stored in fat cells for use when it's needed.